Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So for this video, I'm going to be making some mango habanero chicken wings. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. As you can see, the chicken has been cleaned and washed, so now I'm just going to go ahead and season. First thing I'm going to do is add some salt. Some Maggi chicken seasoning, some Creole seasoning, some sazon, another Maggi chicken seasoning, but this one you don't want to add too much, garlic powder, onion powder, and some black pepper. And I don't think I mentioned this before, but I'm actually going to make these in the air fryer. And now I'm just going to go ahead and rub the seasoning in. So as you can see, I have my air fryer tray lined with aluminum foil. So now I'm just going to go ahead and spray it with some palm spray. There you have it. Alright, and the reason for spraying it, I just don't want it to stick to the aluminum foil. I'm just going to go ahead and start adding the chicken wings. Alright, so I'm just going to add the chicken option. There you have it. And now I'm just going to hit start. So this is what the wings look like after 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and flip these and then add it back in the air fryer for another 20 minutes. There you have it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add it back in. After 30 minutes, our wings are done. So now I'm just going to transfer these in a different container. Alright, so here I have my mango habanero sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush this sauce on the wings. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Alright, so now you're just going to flip these on the other side and then brush that side with some sauce as well. And now I'm just going to put these in the oven for about 10 minutes. There you have it. There is our air fryer mango habanero wings. If you try this, definitely let me know how you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Until next time, peace out.
Right, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.